One of the small new features that we've added into SoStocked is the ability to filter and search by parent ASIN. This has been requested a few times, so we added an additional column. This column right here is called parent ASIN, and it's not a default column on your default dashboard, but you can simply add it by typing in the word parent, making sure you turn that on, and then reposition your columns by dragging them around so that it's located where you want to. Once you've organized your dashboard the way you want to, you just go ahead and save dashboard. There is a tutorial which I will link to later on in this article on how to customize your dashboards. You can also find it on your mini course here, dashboards, how to use and create custom views. But the reason why we created this is a lot of folks actually want to organize products by parent. So one thing that you can do now is you can actually search by parent ASIN. So if I were to copy this ASIN, for example, and let's say I had a catalog of thousands of products and I said, I want to find everything that has the parent ASIN blah. Now if I search that parent ASIN, it's going to pull up everything connected with that parent. Now the parent ASIN is obviously pulled in from Amazon. You can technically override that parent ASIN if you'd like, but we recommend that you don't do that because the parent ASIN is an Amazon catalog categorization feature, but that's just to help you kind of organize your inventory here. Now, why would this be useful? Well, let's say you want to order inventory based on parent ASIN. What some people do is they'll actually use the orders 30 days type dashboard or the upcoming transfers dashboard, and these ones will have the parent ASIN defaulted in them. So if you wanted to filter by parent ASIN or again search by parent ASIN on that dashboard and say, you know, I want to order all these products that have the same parent ASIN together, you can do that from this dashboard. An additional tip on this is once you've filtered by parent ASIN, you can actually come in here and you can assign a product tag. If I select all after I've filtered by parent ASIN, I can search by parent ASIN. I can also come down here and do parent ASIN as a filter. It pretty much does the same thing, but I'll show you how. Okay, whether I search or filter, I'm going to pull that up. Now I can select all and I can come in here and I can add a product tag, assign a tag, and I can, if I have my ASIN in there already, I can just choose my parent ASIN, or I can add a new product tag. For example, I'll just type it in there, submit. So now all these products are going to be tagged with that parent ASIN. Now why would that be important? This might be helpful on your forecasting. If you're not placing orders from your dashboards, you're using the forecast page, which most people do, you could come up here and filter by tag, product tag has, and then you would search that ASIN. So those are just a couple things that you can do using that new parent ASIN filter.